Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In our channel, we cover the gross anatomy lectures, histology, embryology, anatomic quiz, anatomy practical exam preparations, radiological anatomy, and surgical anatomy. So those who have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now. Then it will be easy for you to get the everyday updates. And today's topic is the transitional epithelium, and it is a special epithelium. So we will see the details of the transitional epithelium in this class. Why called so? Why the transitional epithelium is called as transitional? Transitional epithelium was called as transitional in the beginning because it was thought that it is the transition of the simple and the stratified epithelium, as if it is the middle part, it is in the middle conversion of the simple to compound epithelium, they thought, and they named it as the transitional epithelium. What are the other names? Urothelium is the other name of the transitional epithelium. Is it a special epithelium? Yes. And it's a special epithelium present only in the urinary system, so it is called as urothelium. So transitional epithelium only in the urinary system. What is the special epithelium? What is its function? So this urine which is secreted by the kidneys should not be modified in its path after its secretion. After its secretory part secretes the urine according to the body conditions, it should not be modified by the collecting part of the urinary system. That's why this collecting part is having this special epithelium, so that it will not modify the urine produced by the secretory part of the kidneys. So, and one more is not only modification, it should not allow the toxic components in the urine to enter the collecting part of the urinary system. So it prevents both ways, so that it will be called as osmotic barrier. Transitional epithelium is called as, its function is osmotic barrier. And considerable distension and contraction in the urinary bladder, not in the ureter, in the urinary bladder is also due to this epithelium. But its main function is, the student should remember, osmotic barrier. Extent of this transitional epithelium extends from the calyces in both males and females, and distal extent is in males as far as the ejaculatory ducts, in females as far as the urogenital diaphragm, and it's made of 4 to 5 separate layers. If you see the shape of the cells in these layers, surface cells are large and round, umbrella cells. Intermediate cells are small and polyhedral shaped, and basal cells are cuboidal in form. So this is the ureter histology. In the ureter, you are observing this transitional epithelium in the mucosa, and you can observe the 4 to 5 different layers and the umbrella shaped surface cells. In distension, cells become flattened but without altering the position, reduced to the size of 2 to 3 cells thick. So this is the reduction in the size of the cells. We will see the details of the cells. Basal cells are mainly basophilic and contains many ribosomes, and it is uninucleate or binucleate. Usually basal cells binucleate because it is in the division process. Surface cells, largest cells of this layer, and it's octoploid in shape, typically bulge into the luminous dome shape. That's why it's called umbrella shape. And it has thickened eosinophilic glycocalyx or cell coat. This is the special feature of the surface cells. This is the specialized plasma membrane in which plaques of intramembranous glycoprotein particles with interplaque normal membrane. And it has numerous cell junctions, tight junctions, and also desmosomes. So all these modifications of the surface cells uh, help the surface cells in the function of the osmotic barrier. So this completes the transitional epithelium details. As it is a special epithelium, I wanted to cover it in a separate class, so you see this transitional epithelium details, and it is very much useful for you. Those who have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now so that you will receive the gross anatomy, histology, embryology, which are very important for your exam preparations.